Hello guys, I'm back. This is Kuya Chuk Toy Bag Collection. One of the features today we have is Matchbox, and this is a Mini Cooper collection. This Mini Cooper is a 1961. The humble little people mover fell in hands of British racing legend John Cooper. The more powerful engine and bigger brakes and few turning tweaks. The production of this small yet impressive vehicle dates back to 1959 from until and then 2000. We have a series of collection here. One of the first collection we have here. This is number one. This is a 1964 Austin Mini Cooper. See guys, this is brought to you by Matchbox. As you can see guys, this is the back view. This is a 1964 Mini Cooper. Here you go guys. This side is the front view. This is the back view. This is the top view. Here you go guys. Now the second is what we have. The Austin Minivan 1965. Brought to you again by Matchbox. Here's the front view. So the back view. Top view. This is the back view. This Austin Minivan is in 1965. Brought to you by Matchbox. Okay. This is a number 2. 2 and 4, 2 of the 6. Now we go to the 3 of the 6 of the collection, the Matchbox. And this is a Mini Cooper S Cabrio. This is the front view. Side view, the back view, right, the back side, back view of the toy. Mini Cooper S Cabrio. It's 3 of the 6 collection. Now we go to the fourth one. This is a Machu 2003